Welcome back to Car Brand 2025A Rolling Fortress, a chariot of indulgence, a statement of unshakable dominance. The 2025 BMW X7 Concept arrives not as a mere SUV but as a vision sculpted in steel and precision. Its silhouette is sharper, its stance broader, and its presence undeniable. The redefined kidney grille commands attention, now integrated with adaptive lighting that pulses like a heartbeat in the dark. Every contour speaks of aerodynamic mastery, while 24-inch turbine-style wheels carve through asphalt with quiet authority. Slip inside, and the future unfolds. The cabin is a sanctuary of technology and artistry, where crystal-trimmed controls shimmer under ambient lighting, and a panoramic OLED roof displays a starlit sky at the driver's whim. The floating 18-inch digital command center merges with a sculpted dashboard, offering haptic feedback controls that feel like magic beneath your fingertips. Gesture-based commands, AI-driven climate zones, and a whisper-quiet electric drivetrain turn every journey into a seamless experience. And then, the raw power. Beneath its sculpted hood lies a hybrid V8 churning 750 horsepower, or for the purists, a fully electric variant boasting 950 kilometers of range. This behemoth surges from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.9 seconds, outpacing rivals like the Range Rover SV and Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. Starting at an estimated $130,000, the X7 Concept is excess, redefined. But can its future-ready tech stand the test of time? That's for the bold to discover. Are you ready?